Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on the Wonderfox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. You can check the link in the description section for a free trial version of this app. Let me cover some of the key features of this desktop video app. First of all, you can convert video and audio files into many different formats, and I'll show you a few of these later in the video. It has a basic video player and editor which allows you to trim, flip, rotate, and add some filters to the video. You can easily download online videos from sites like YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitch, and many others. It has a built-in screen recorder which allows you to do screen recordings as well as record video gameplay. You can create GIF animations from videos or pictures, and few other features like creating ringtones, making split-screen videos, and more. Now let me show you some of the key features in action. I'll start by showing you the video converter. With the video converter, you can convert video and audio files into different formats, as well as do batch conversions. So this is the user interface of the HD Video Converter Factory Pro. As you can see, it's got a very simplistic design which I like. I'll click on the converter and you'll see this dialog box. You can add individual files or add a full folder, or just drag and drop your files here. I'll click on Add Files, navigate to my folder, choose my file, and click Open. So here is the MP4 video. So I'll click here and it'll bring you to this page. We'll see options for different output formats like video, audio, 4K and HD, as well as web format. So I'm currently in the video format section. I'll click on the audio format section, and as you can see, there are many different audio formats. I'll choose the MP3 format, and it'll bring me back to this page here. You can further adjust the settings by clicking this button for parameter settings, which will open this dialog box. I'll leave them as default and then click OK. And finally, click Run. It will then begin the process to convert the MP4 video into an MP3 audio. And you'll get a confirmation message. I'll click Open, and it'll open the folder, and this is the converted MP3 file. So let me go back. Similarly, you can import multiple videos. I've gone ahead and added 3 MP4 video files here. I'll click on Merge, and it'll open this dialog box. I'll click on Merge, and then drag and drop the files like so, and then click the Merge button down below. It has now merged the 3 MP4 files into one. And finally, you need to click Run. You'll get a confirmation message. And if I click Open, here is the merged MP4 video file. So let me go back. Similarly, you can add multiple audio files and then merge them together, just like I showed you earlier with the video files. Now let me show you the online video downloader, which allows you to download files from websites like YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Twitch, and many others like I mentioned earlier. So here I'm back at the main dashboard. I'll click on Downloader, and you'll see this dialog box. I'll click on New Download, and you'll see this pop up. And we need to paste the video URL into this box. So here I have a Creative Commons drone footage video on YouTube. So I'll copy this video URL using Ctrl+C. Then let's head back to the Wonderfox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. And I'll enter the video URL into this box, and then click on Analyze. It will then begin the analyzation process, so just give it a few seconds for it to process it. and it'll bring you to this page. You can choose to download the video or just the audio. I'll choose the MP4 file option and then click OK. It'll bring you to this page, and then you can click the download button, and it will then begin the download process. The time it takes to download will depend on the size of the video as well as your internet speed. You'll get a confirmation message. Then I'll click open, and here is the drone footage video I downloaded. Now let me show you the video editor. Like I said earlier, this is just a basic video editor that allows you to trim, rotate, flip, crop, merge, etc. So this is the drone footage video I downloaded. In this section, you'll see various buttons. I'll click on the trim button, and you'll see this pop up where you can trim the video using this slider. Let me close this and go back. I'll click on rotate, and here you can use these buttons to rotate and flip the video. Let me go back, and I'll click on crop, and you'll see this pop up. And here you can use these radio buttons and handles to crop the video in various sizes like you're seeing right now, which is a pretty neat feature to have, as you can see. I'll close this pop-up and then go back. Finally, let me show you the filters. These are essentially preset filters. There are many of them like black and white, blurring, pencil style, noise, old movie, mosaic, and many others, as you can see down below. But like I said earlier, the video editor only has like basic features. Now let me show you the screen recorder, which allows you to record your screen or video play. From the main dashboard, you click on recorder, and you'll see this pop up. Now you may need to provide permission to get to this pop up. In this top section, you can choose whether you want to record a specific section of the screen or record a full screen. This option is specifically for gameplay, which records at 60 frames per second. You also have an option only to record the audio if you want to. Now, I'll be creating a separate tutorial to show you how to use a screen recorder. Now let me show you the GIF animator, which allows you to turn videos into GIF animations and also take a sequence of pictures and turn them into a GIF. From the main dashboard, I'll click on GIF Maker and choose Convert Video to GIF. You'll see this pop up. I'll click on Add Video, navigate to my folder, choose my video, and then click Open. So here is the video. I can use the slider to trim the video. I can adjust these settings if I want to, and then click on Create GIF. Similarly, if I go back, click on GIF Maker, and choose Convert Photos to GIF. From this pop-up, I'll click on Add Images. I'll navigate to my folder. I'll choose my images, and then click Open. So here are all of the images. In this right side panel, I can adjust the resolution, quality, and time delay, and then click Create GIF. It'll begin the process to start generating the animated GIF from the images, and then open the folder. Here's the GIF animation. Let me just play it so you can see how the animation looks like. So these are just the images, and then just a cut that shows all of the different images. Finally, let me show you the video toolbox. From the main dashboard, click on Toolbox, and you'll see these options. Let me click on Ringtone Studio. You'll see this pop up. In this left side panel, you'll see two options here for Android and Apple iPhones. I'll choose Android. I'll click on Add File. Navigate to my folder, choose the audio file, and then click Open. You can then use the slider to trim the audio like so, and then click Save. Let me close this pop-up and go back. Let me show you the split screen video maker. So this essentially allows you to create split screen videos. You have several options here for split screens, as you can see. So let me go back to this one. I'll click on Add Video 1, navigate to my folder, choose my video, and then click Open. So here is the first video. I'll click on Add Video 2, and then do the same for the second video, like so. And here are the two videos side by side in a split screen format. You can use this drop down and then choose the audio, and then finally click on Create Video. Now, there is a lot more that you can do with this video app, but hopefully this gives you a good idea. You can check the link in the description section to download a trial version of the Wonderfox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. Well, hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.